Here is how you can use REFit Equipment QR decals. Once service is complete, attach the REFit QR decal to the HVAC unit. Next, scan the QR code with the REFit app. You will now see the equipment registration page. Simply fill out the required fields on the form. If your device camera is not scanning the QR code, select the QR code not working text underneath the Start Camera button. Then, select Try a different scanning method. Now press the button with the QR code icon. This scanning method will require you to take a clear picture of the REFit QR code with your smartphone's camera and press Submit. Once you have filled out the fields on page 1 of the registration form, type in the name of the refrigerant the equipment uses. Write down any additional notes that would be helpful to future technicians in the Additional Notes box. Finally, press Submit. You will now see the Equipment Info dashboard. From here, you can fill out an ozone depleting substance sheet, or ODS sheet for short. You could also view past ODS sheets attached to this equipment and fill out a repair notes form. And that's it! You have successfully registered a REFit Equipment QR tag. In the next video, you will learn when you should fill out an ODS sheet and how you can do it. You are one step closer to tracking your refrigerant usage with REFit.